Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer Uber Cash to your bank account. Now, it's a very easy process. What you have to do is firstly open the application, then wait for a few seconds. Then after that go to your account. Now click on payments. And then right over here you will have your Uber Cash, which you can see currently I have 0. So, the only way that you can transfer your Uber Cash to your bank account isn't exactly directly inside the bank account, but there is a way around it. So what you have to do is, once you have your amount in the wallet, what you have to do is you have to just simply pay some extra amount to the drivers and just simply take the money back from them. That is the only way that you can use to get the extra cash that you have in Uber Cash out and use it for yourself. Or you can simply try to contact the support team and then they might be able to help you with that. But for the most part, it's completely impossible to transfer the Uber Cash directly to your bank account. You can add your bank accounts in down below, but it won't work at all. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.